In this tutorial, we're going to take a look at a new feature from Canva, which lets you easily decorate your posts, your flyers, anything you want to where you're not sure how you have to decorate it. So I have this Instagram post and I have my background and it's for a summer party post, but I'm not sure how I have to decorate this. So if you're not sure, you can use something Canva released for you. You select the background, you click on Edit, and in Edit, you have the Decorate option. Now, be mindful, this is a Pro feature option. You can always try the 30 days free of the Pro if you don't have that one yet, but this is a Pro feature. But if you click Decorate, as you can see here, you can describe what you want, but you also can ask Canva to inspire you, and it's not really necessary, but let's just describe something we want to decorate our post here. And then when you're done with your description, you can press Generate. And here you get 4 options which Canva created for you, and as you can see, they really look nice. It also decided on the best placement for your post, so you don't have to worry about that either. And then you can click and choose which one you like best, and I think I like this one most. But that's an easy way in which Canva AI helps you decorate your posts with icons, illustrations, and just to give you the inspiration if you're not really sure what you should add to your post as a decoration. So Magic Decorate in Canva, new feature, really nice to use for a pro account, keep in mind. Like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and as always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.